I think it's good for the industry. Yun yung pinakauna. Kami nga nagugulat, nag-usapan namin, wow, ngayon nag-concert ang mga artists na kaya nila mag 6 days sa Araneta or MOA or a bigger venue. So, grabe ang support ngayon ng concert goers. So,
So we really are so thankful for you guys to really share this concert to everyone else kasi katulad nga ng help me Lord with this mic. Okay, so katulad nga ng concert scene ngayon, parang napuprove natin, no, hindi lang foreign concert ang napupuno. Local concert scene, kaya ng 5 araw, kaya ng Philippine Arena. It's such another golden year for, another golden era for Filipino music and artists. And na-experience natin ito, ang ganda-ganda. And they are our friends, yung mga nagko-concert na ito, so we're so happy.